Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw and color Tuxedo Sam from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute little penguin, we're going to first start by drawing the top of its head. So I'm going to start right here and basically just draw a huge arch. But right here I'm going to start and I'm just going to bring it all the way up. Nice and round and all the way back to the other side. So just give myself a point about right there and bring it back. So it's just this round arch. And then from there, we're just gonna come, come about right here. We'll bring it down a tiny bit more and arch it out, curve it out. And then we're gonna start to draw his little flippers. So we're gonna come over here, bring out a curve and round it off and bring it in. So same thing on this side, just go out, and we're just gonna give ourselves a point on the other side, so about right here, so I know where to bring it back. There. Okay, so from this shape right here, we're gonna start to bring it to life. We're gonna come in between where you started the flipper, so about right here, give yourself a little point right in the center. Just a little marker. And we're going to start to draw the beak. So from there, we're just going to draw a little curve right here in the center. And then we're going to bring it down on both sides. And then round it off. And connect it right here. So find the center once again, so about right here. And connect it. And then go back up for this beak shape. Okay, so there. Now that we have the beak in, now we can put in the eyes. So we're going to go up right here in this area and draw a circle. And same thing on the other side, right next to the beak. Okay, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here, two small circles and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So hopefully you guys are still enjoying my Sanrio drawings that I've been doing lately. Please check out my Sanrio playlist if you love all these Sanrio characters where I've drawn and colored them for you. Okay, so we have the eyes in. Now let's come up right here and just draw a little curve on top of each eye just to anchor it. And then from there, we're gonna come in this, well, let's come down to make the body first then. We're gonna come over here. So we're just imagining this curve continuing. So then about right here, just bring it down. So same thing. So you see how short or tall you wanna make your penguin. And so about right here, I'll just start to bring it in. And I'm just gonna go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. Okay, so then from there, we're gonna come right back to where we started with the beak in this right area right here. And we're just gonna bring a curve all the way down. So lightly, just bring down a curve. And just tuck it right back in. So same thing on this side. Just bring down a curve. And tuck it right back in. So then from there, we're going to come in the center right here, and we're going to draw his little bow because he is wearing a tuxedo, right? So just come right back to the center. So same thing on this side, and come right back to the center. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his feet. So we're going to come out right here and just draw a curve with 3 little curves, wiggle curves that come back in. And same thing on this side. So So put right here. Same thing, 1, 2, and 3. And so then now let's draw his cute little hat. So we're gonna come to the side right here. Just draw 2 angle lines for his little sailor hat. And go ahead and connect it. So rounding off the corners. Kind of following this curve right here. And connect it. And then on top right here, just draw a little dome. And then we're gonna come in here for some details. So just draw a little stripe right here for some color. And then there's a little ribbon that comes out. So we'll come in here and draw a little ribbon. And that is pretty much it for drawing Tuxedo Sam from Sanrio. Now to color it. So the hair all drawn and colored. Hope you guys love how this little penguin turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.